Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I am going to show you how to set up HA Tunnel Plus using custom SNI settings so you can enjoy a fast and secure internet connection. This method is simple to follow, so stick with me till the end and I will walk you through every single step. Let's get started. First, open the Play Store on your device and tap on the search bar at the top. Type in HA Tunnel Plus and press enter to search for it. From the search results, find HA Tunnel Plus and tap on it to open the app page. Once you are there, tap the Install button and wait for the download to finish. After the installation completes, tap the Open button to launch the app for the first time. Once you land on the home screen of the app, you will be asked for notification permission. Make sure to allow this, since it will let you know when the VPN is connected or if there are any updates you need to be aware of. You will also see some default settings already in place. Just make sure your internet connection is active, because the app needs to load its servers and tweaks properly. Now, let's move into the actual setup. In the Connection Mode section, tap on the radio icon to expand and reveal more protocol settings. Next, tap on the small arrow icon to open the menu that lists the different available protocols. Here you will see several options, including direct connection, custom payload, custom host header, custom SNI, DNSTT tunnel, and imported config. For today's tutorial, we are going to focus on custom SNI settings, so go ahead and tap on that option to select it. Once you are inside the custom SNI settings, enter your custom SNI host into the field provided. Also, make sure to double-check your Realm host, since this needs to be accurate for the connection to work properly. That's really all there is to it. Now, just tap the Start button below, and the VPN connection will begin. If you want to check the connection logs, simply swipe to the right on your screen. If you would like to save this configuration for later use, tap on the three dots at the top of the screen, select Export, give your configuration a name, and save it. Whenever you need it again, you can simply import it from your saved settings. And that wraps up today's tutorial. I hope this guide helped you get your custom SNI connection up and running smoothly. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this one. See you in the next video. Take care.